8.3.2 Graphs of Proportional Relationships. In the last lesson, we talked about constant of proportionality. What we're now finding out that the constant of proportionality is exactly the same thing as proportional relationships, or it's going to be known as the slope. Compare the graphs that represent the same proportional relationship using different scaled axes. In other words, my graph could go on the x value from 1 to 10, or it could go from 10 to 100. And the lines just mean different things. The y could be the same thing, 1 to 10, or it could go from 10s to 100s. So we just have to be careful and we'll look and notice what the scales are written on each of the axes. We're going to be able to create graphs representing the same proportional relationship using different scaled axes and identify which graph to use to answer very specific questions. What I want you to focus on learning is I can graph a proportional relationship from an equation. We've talked about those before, and that's what we're going to do. I can tell when two graphs are the same proportional relationship, even if the scales are different.